Into practical numerical methods for scientists and engineers. We are still in module 4, roots of system equations. Today also we have a quick interesting lesson on Excel, how to use Excel to solve equations of linear equations. So suppose that you have this you have these equations and you want to solve it. So similarly, we can use like similar to left division in MATLAB, but it's different way. So you remember that x equal invert a times b. So here in MATLAB we have a specific function called m inverse. This is to invert the matrix. So we can first convert the matrix and then we can use another we can multiply this the inverted one to b by using m multi. So using this POSIX function in MATLAB, we can perform or to find the roots. So we, for example, for this equation, we make it as here. So we put the matrix A. Okay, we create matrix A, and here we put the B or D. Okay, and then we have x1, x2, and x3. So the first step is to invert. So it's a little bit tricky here. You have first to select all 3 times 3 same size of the original matrix. So have after you select 3 times 3 cells, then in the if part of the Excel, okay, write between brackets, okay, equal m inverse and open parentheses, equal in inverse and open parentheses. Then, okay, select all cells of A. Okay, select all of them. Once you select all of them, then Control Shift and Enter on the keyboard, so it will be solved automatically. Okay, similarly, okay, here's you we said A times B or D, it should be give this one. So we just here put the just to convert, move this part to put it here or copy paste, or even you can use it here, no problem. Okay, then X will be the multi. So here we can select 3 times 1 cells, then also in the F we write equal m multi, okay, instead of m inverse. So m multi, open the parentheses and select the cells of here you will find you should put two things. So first you can select this part and then you can select D, okay, and then Control Shift Enter together, so X will be appear automatically. Okay, please try it and you'll find it very interesting, very easy, and let me know if you found any problems when operating or when performing this function. See you and thank you, and see you in next session.